In this video, we'll take a look at the student edition of Principles of Life, 2nd edition. The student edition is built around the AP content and emphasizes essential content and a conceptual approach. To reinforce this, each chapter contains different concepts. There are typically 4 to 5 concepts per chapter. This course will focus on Chapter 15, Processes of Evolution. As you can see, this chapter contains 7 concepts. Each chapter contains certain hallmark features. We'll take a look at these as we move through Chapter 15. If you're following along with your print text, please turn to page 298. Otherwise, the images you need will be on the screen. Each chapter opens with an opening story. This is done to introduce your students to a topic in an engaging way. The Chapter 15 case study focuses on the 1918-1919 influenza pandemic and the evolutionary nature of the flu virus. Some teachers like to have their students read and write reactions to their case studies. You can also split your students into small groups to discuss the story and question that follows it. In the Teacher's Edition, we also provide you with suggestions for discussion and writing. The checkpoints allow students to check what they've learned throughout the book. These occur at the end of every concept within the chapter and provide you with a way to test your students' knowledge of what they have just learned. Within the narrative of the textbook are small blue link boxes. These boxes highlight to your students that what is being discussed within the book occurs at other parts in the textbook. This is instrumental in showing your students how AP biology is interconnected. Within the chapter, you will also find investigation pieces. These investigations provide a hypothesis, method, and results for your students to work with. They also provide an analyze the data question that you can use to test your students' knowledge of the investigations. At the end of each chapter is a concept-by-concept summary that shows all of the important information for your students to know.